how to find language settings on Squarespace easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First, open your browser, and now once you're here, all you need to do just click account settings, and then go to this one here, language. And as you see here, you can change your language. Just select any language you want, and then that's it. It will be saved, and you can make it English again. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.